And pay attention. I'm going to show you a feature of LinkedIn that would help you build your CV in a better manner. Okay, so please pay attention, everyone. So when you go to LinkedIn, okay, this is my LinkedIn. Go to jobs. I'm saying slowly so that you guys can note down. Okay, LinkedIn, go to jobs. There is something called resume builder. Okay, click on the resume builder. I've already had my resume here. I'll just delete them so that you can see how it's done. Okay, so I went to jobs, I clicked on resume builder, I uploaded my CV. Upload your CV. Okay, so my CV is here. Click on next. Job title. Here, click on what's the job title that you are aspiring for, that you want to know, that you want to apply for. For example, let's say I want to apply for Director Financial Planning and Analysis. Director of Financial Planning and Analysis. This is the job that I want to apply for, and I've uploaded, as you can see in the background, this is my CV. I just click on apply. Here towards the right, it gives me my resume insights. These are the keywords which are there in my CV that should be there, and these are there in my CV. Finance, financial analysis, budgeting, financial modeling, etc. All those skills, all those keywords. But these are the suggested keywords there that are missing from my this thing, from my CV. So when you do it for your CV and for your expected job role, you will get the keywords that you should be including. So